I'd love to invite you to our live 2-week intensive dome home workshop in Nepal, where we are going to learn how to construct 2 types of dome homes, as well as a constructed wetland which will treat all the grey water from your bath and shower. The one structure is a super adobe home with barbed wire reinforcement on every single coil. It is so strong that I actually don't get a Wi-Fi signal inside my super adobe dome. And the other structure is an aircrete dome, all based on sacred geometrical proportions for the foundation. So we're actually going to make our own aircrete bricks using a foaming agent and a little bit of cement. This will be all mixed up and poured into forms, and then we'll cut them up just like a giant cake and stack the bricks using a compass arm. So I'm going to teach you how to build foundation, how to create the bricks, how to stomp the sandbags, how to insert the windows, how to build around the windows. There's some tricky eyebrow situations there on a sandbag dome, so we'll actually go with larger bags around the eyebrow, an eave it's called, and create an awning which will stop the water from coming into your window. And then as we get to the higher levels, it gets quite tricky because the bricks have to be actually shaped, and the sandbags also have to be stomped in the very specific ways because they're corbelling in quite a bit, and unless done properly they can actually fall right in. Sitting in the super adobe structure, it is such a cozy room. It's like a mother's womb. I'm actually sleeping there every night now. I have recorded on video training, and you will have the detailed step-by-step practical video training material in order for you to complete the entire house to the state that it's standing in right now, including the wooden floor, including the slab, even including the underground water tank, the skylight installation, and a finishing painting work, including some awesome effects. I'll show you how I dipped the half brush in one color, another half in another color to get that darker feel around the edges. So come along to our live training where we're going to learn 2 types of dome homes, super adobe as well as an aircrete. We will build a constructed wetland, and with any free spare time we're going to hammer on to our outdoor bath. So you're going to get to learn and experience what it is to build your own home. And of course, everything that we do not get done, you will have in video training. You see, I've traveled the world and I learned from top ecological masters such as Mike Reynolds, Jeff Lawton, John Todd, John Jevons, Ibrahim Karim from High Geometry, and many, many more. And when I came back to our site, this experimental site in Johannesburg, South Africa, I've actually built and experimented with every single eco-technological feature that I have learned. So I've built a biochar filtration and a ferrocement tank. The story goes on. You can watch the video on our Abundance of Water course, and I've recorded 2 courses, the Living Eco Dome Home Masterclass and the Abundance of Water Masterclass. So as a gift to all our live students, I will be providing you with our full comprehensive Living Eco Home Masterclass, where you're going to learn how to take this shell with the waterproofing, the black stuff on the edges here, and full painting, plastering, flooring, skylight installation, electrical installation, door manufacturing, and much more. So this course will actually give you all the tools you need to complete the home to the level that you're seeing right behind me. So I look forward to be seeing you at our 2-week live training workshop where we're going to build this beautiful dome home together. I'm going to find it difficult to put in words because it's that high, really. My emotions are going since I'm here. The human experience is just absolutely great. The exchange, the fact that we're coming from all over the world, the fact that we don't know each other and everything is going so fluidly, and the energy is going up, and for me it's much more, and I think for all of us, it's much more than just building houses. We're kind of creating now the world we're dreaming of. I could nearly cry. It's that important, really.
Voilà, I'm loving every second of it. Ouais, thanks, Alosha.
Now I feel confident and capable to build one of these structures myself. So yeah, thank you. And also just all the awesome people that we've met and been able to network with around us from all over the world, all walks of life. That's been an amazing experience, and thank you very much for allowing that to happen.
Been very interesting in terms of being it new, being it fresh. No one's doing this. This is the first of its kind here, and the first of its kind in the world in terms of the merging of the technologies. It's new, it's fresh, there's a lot of research and development, which happens to be perfect for really getting down to it and knowing what we are making and refining it, honing it, and having the opportunity, which quite frankly, once it's perfected, you don't have anymore. So yeah, grateful for this opportunity to explore and actually work things out and think for myself.
What can I say? Here I am, building a home, using power tools, flinging mud, concrete, working with wood, all sorts of things I've never done my whole life, which is amazing. Amazing experience for me, growing and having now the confidence to go and maybe build myself a little structure. In terms of how the course has been presented, I've had a great time. I've been learning a lot. Alosha's very, very knowledgeable about a lot of different things. Beautiful energy, great to work with him, and he's attracted all these amazing people into this workshop, which I've made new friends, connected with people on many different ways, and I know that these people will be a part of my life going forward.
We're really fortunate to be able to run the course here at this Nepali Gardens farm. It's a really nice example of biodiversity. There's over 200 species of plants growing here. Lots of them used for the Nepali Gardens tea, for Ayurvedic purposes and other things.
And the farm is a real working farm, and it's in the rural countryside, a beautiful location. We have great Nepali workers here we're making friends with, learning some Nepali words, learning some Nepali cooking, and learning a lot about the culture as well. Well, in addition to being in the classroom and learning there and doing lots of hands-on activities, we also have a good time at the course. A lot of nights we'll have either a movie night or a fire where people get together and tell stories and sing songs and just share and kind of relax together as well.
Until then, have a fantastic day.